Today we're making an amazing pasta alla carbonara. But first I would like to answer a question that you haven't asked but that I feel is pretty important, which is, why am I doing this? Well, because America is the country of freedom, and as a Frenchman entering America, I felt really empowered to do those things that I'm passionate about, which is cooking. And so today, that's really what this is about. So we're gonna start by cutting the pecorino into pieces and grounding it. Alright, so now I have perfectly grated pecorino. The next step is making the pasta dough. So 7 ounces of flour, 2 large eggs, olive oil, and then you let the machine do the work. In the meantime, I'm going to clean the counter. Okay, so kneading is over. So it actually comes out in this sort of weird texture, crumbly. So it's nothing like a dough, but with the help of your hands you can turn it into a beautiful pasta dough. Alright, so this is my dough and I'm gonna let it rest now for half an hour and I will see you then. Alright, so my dough is still resting and my son is sleeping. I need to prepare the ingredients for the sauce, which are garlic and bacon. Alright, so one last thing before making pasta and bringing everything together is making the sauce. So with this cheese in there, about half of it maybe, and then I'm just gonna whisk. At this point, about half an hour has passed since I started making my beautiful pasta dough. And so 3 things are gonna happen at once. It's gonna become a little stressful here, but I think we can handle it together. So I'm gonna just turn on the fire here and put on the bacon. Here I'm going to start rolling my pasta. First I need to cut my dough into 4 equal pieces. And we start by flattening it. And then basically what I do is I just go up the levels 2 by 2. So here you get this beautiful little sheet, which I will then turn into spaghetti, but first I need to let it rest. This is rolled into sheets, so now what I need to do is turn it into pasta. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Fresh pasta. My pasta water is boiling and I will toss the pasta in, and it really doesn't need to cook long. I'm just gonna put it in 2 minutes. Okay, so pasta is ready. Pasta goes in. Alright, so now we add the sauce. We mix. Oh my goodness. C'est prêt. Je pense que ça va être très très bon. I don't know if you can hear like the gooiness of it. When I'm twisting it around, it's making this little gentle noise. Oh my goodness, look at this. Bacon is crispy, it's insane. All of a sudden I'm transported back to these years when I was studying engineering. Alright, guys, it was a pleasure. Give me feedback in the comments. I don't know if I'll be making any other videos. If I don't, it's been a real pleasure. If I do, then until next time.